afternoon and welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Today we're having a look at the Hayward Aquavac 500. Now Hayward is a company, I love them. I sell heaps of their motors. Have a look at some links up here. I'll put to some of the things I put about economy, power saving motors, all sorts of things. Love them. Tiger Shark cleaners I love as well. That's also Hayward. Have a look up here for my link for that. If you're in Australia, look up Nillumbik Pool and Spa Service and buy one from me because they're absolutely brilliant. But Aquavac, unfortunately, Hayward had a shock and run with this. This is the cable that comes with an Aquavac robotic pool cleaner, and they have had a lot of problems. Not with that. They've had a lot of problems with water getting in through the cord. Now, you've got your cartridge system inside here. You just lift that to get out of the way and it gets you through to the works here. I have then, there's a little cord holder. This sits down on top just with two Torx screwdriver bits. You can undo that and take that little cover off to get you access here. What happens, in actual fact, you can see it very clearly on this one. See, the cord's broken through in this black area and it's gone all floppy and soft here. Now it looks like the cord's broken, there's no power getting through. Yes, you see there's a little split there in the cord. It's let water in through the cord, which when we unwind this, a pair of pointy nose pliers is the way to unwind these guys. And just do it in a normal anti-clockwise direction. Unscrew that. And the sad report on this Aquavac right here, once we get him out, so you pull that up, see straight away what we see is that that is wet. And you have a look inside there, and I've actually had a rag in here and given it a wipe out already. It was even more so wet. And you can see here when you look at the connectors, you see the telltale brown and the corrosion that's in there. This is in deep trouble, this guy right here. Now, I'll have a look at the links in the description. I'll put some parts through to all of these. You can buy replacement cords, you can buy replacement motors, but the cords are pretty crazy expensive and the motors are also quite expensive. So what the situation is that with an Aquavac, if you've got one that's had a lot of water come in, about half the time that you get water ingress into a motor, you lose the motor as well. If you need to replace the motor and the cord, you're actually better off to buy a brand new Tiger Shark. Have a look at that link I put up in the top before about the Tiger Shark. As I said, I love Hayward as a company. They just had a real problem with water ingress through cords on this Aquavac. Happens all the time. If it's happened to you, there's not a lot you can do about it. You can replace the cord if there's not too much water. If it's both, you really are better financially. You'll be spending the same money to get a brand new cleaner with a warranty. I'll be talking about the Tiger Shark for sure, because it's actually the same money. It's not even a little bit extra. And as I said, when there's that sort of water gone inside electronics and a computer and brain and so forth, I would not be spending big bucks on a cord knowing that we've got no certainty at all as to how long that motor is going to keep running. So even if you are lucky enough that it will run with a new cord, if you've had a lot of water in there, it's just a choice you've got to make as to whether to chance it or whether to replace it. So there you go. You can get the motors out, replace them, the whole motor block. You can get the cords out, replace them. And if you only got just a little bit of water or not much, or if you just got a break in the cord and there's no, absolutely. Get yourself a new cord and replace it. This customer, wrapped with this. Absolutely wrapped with it, with its performance, how it's been running, what it's done for them. It's just run for 4 years and then it's died because of this issue with the water ingress. So there you go. That's the lowdown on Aquavac 500. If someone's trying to sell you someone, don't buy it. I believe Hayward now have actually stopped advertising and supplying these as well because the Tiger Shark is the way to go.